Sayang ang prutas at mga gulay kung hindi mapreserba. What if your pantry, your kitchen pantry, could help you save, stay healthy, maybe even earn someday? That's what I discovered starting with kimchi. This is for anyone who wants to learn food preservation, not just for business, but for personal use, health, and of course, sustainability. This is how I started building my own pantry and why I believe we can help our community do the same. My first experience with food preservation goes all the way back to 2011. I was working with ESL then, and that's when I learned to make kimchi. It fascinated me not just the flavor, but the fermentation process itself. I started making kimchi for our household, even if my family didn't like it at first. But I continued because it helped my digestion and overall health. After that, I explored the process of pickling or pickles, making pickles. So I experimented with garlic, with radish, with papaya, with mango actually. We had plans to sell kimchi way back in 2011 with my friend, but only to those who already knew it. Kasi during that time, Korean food is not a trend yet. I even explored with other kimchi recipes. Yeah, with radish, with pineapple, cucumber, even green onion kimchi. We usually make small batches and unfortunately, it did not last long because I focused more on my work and my business. Even when I stopped selling them, I continued to preserve food for our pantry. It became part of our household staples. Over time, I discovered the process of dehydrating food, especially when we had an excess of lemon supplies here in my community. That opened the door to even drying other fruits, mushroom, herbs, and others. My main reason, of course, to avoid food wastage. We live in a province where produce is sometimes abundant and sometimes wasted. I felt like there must be better ways to preserve them so we can stretch their shelf life and value. Food preservation isn't new. It's been around for generations. But today, it's still just as important. I often see vegetables and fruits online being wasted. Maybe it's because we need more ways, more awareness, more of sharing how to preserve them. I believe if we start small, preserving from our own kitchen, we can solve our problems first. Then maybe we can help our neighbors. And maybe someday, we can create a community pantry made up of preserved foods. Yes, it's ambitious, but still, I want to try it. To anyone watching, you can start with one jar, whether it's kimchi, pickled garlic, or dried lemon slices. That one jar can start into a habit, a pantry, a livelihood, or even a movement. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Kahome Bee's channel and join me as I share more preservation techniques, methods, stories, and income ideas. Comment below, anong local produce na meron sa lugar mo na pwede nyong i-preserve? Let's make something good out of it together.